Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental aspect of data analysis in Actix Analyzer, expressions. Expressions are at the heart of querying and data manipulation, enabling us to uncover valuable insights and draw meaningful conclusions from our data. In this video, we'll learn how to use expressions effectively. But before we dive into expressions, let's first understand the context. Actix Analyzer provides us with a powerful tool called the Event Diagram Viewer. This tool allows us to visualize and analyze key events in our data. From there, we'll also choose a provided voice service MOS test log file. Now, let's play the log file. As the data plays, we'll focus on a specific event, the RRC connected state. This event has multiple states, and we want to understand the conditions that lead to transitions between them. This is where expressions come into play. We'll open the expression debugger to analyze the conditions for state transitions. In our example, when the RRC event transitions from RRC connect to 2G handover attempt, specific conditions must be met. For instance, the AUU_RRC_ message type must be 107, indicating at the DLDCCH handover from UTRN command to GSM. Within the expression debugger, we set conditions to check if these criteria are fulfilled, and the debugger will help us understand these transitions. With this understanding, we can efficiently analyze our data and gain valuable insights about the performance of our network or system. And there you have it. Expressions in Actix Analyzer are a powerful tool for diving deep into your data, refining conditions, and gaining those invaluable insights. Thank you for joining us today in exploring expressions in Actix Analyzer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.